model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TD125 PS290 Trend front-wheel drive, L1 engine is knocking. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 150296. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts, runs, drives, bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,195 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.